Hi, my name's Drew and welcome to another drone video on flying Wiener. We're at Linlithgow Palace today. It's unfortunately got some scaffolding around, but I'll still try and get some good shots here of the loch as well. It's a bit of a ruin, it's been around since the 14th century approximately. Let's put the drone in the air and see what we get. Okay, I did my best. I think it's quite nice to see it from afar. It's definitely worthwhile watching. I'm not sure whether we're going to go now or not. It depends on whether my daughter is still up for it. So either you're going to see some shots of inside, or we're going to end the video here. Either way, if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. It is the best way to support this channel. If you if you want to say anything about this video, sorry, I'm always checking on my daughter here. If you want to say anything about this video or have any other suggestions for drone videos, leave them down in the comments below. I'll thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one on Flying Wiener. Take care, bye.